Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out. This one is a book bundle called Math for Programmers by Manning Publication. So, this one is, well, you guessed it, a whole bunch of math books that are for programmers. So, if you are new to Humble Bundle, a couple things I would like to point out first is you can always get the bundle here or down below after you take a look at it. Time that is remaining will also show here, but it also shows if you click on the arrow down here, it not only shows how much time is left in this bundle, but in all the bundles. If it's red, like that one, that means it has 2 days or less. So if it's something you want, you probably want to take a look at it and get it before it's gone. But this will always show you the current bundles going on and how much time they do have left. Now here it will tell you how much the bundle is worth. It is $639, but of course that is only for the whole bundle. So it's not going to take into effect if you only buy certain tiers. So keep that in mind. Now with book bundles, this is usually the case. They're DRM free, which means you can use them on multiple devices at the same time. Think your tablet, your phone, your computer, laptop, whatever. All at the same time if you wanted. Which is where the multi-format comes in. These ones today are PDF, MOBI, and EPUB files. And of course, PDF is pretty universal almost everywhere, but the MOBI and EPUB comes in if you're using any type of e-reader or specific ones. Now you can click the button here, which is pretty handy. It is a reminder bell, and what it'll do is send you an email to whatever email you have on your Humble account, and it'll tell you how much time it'll send you an email before the bundle is over to tell you how much time is left so you don't forget to come to look at it. A little tongue-tied there. All right, Humble always supports a charity, and today is Direct Relief and NAACP Legal Defense Fund. All right, let's take a look and see what's in the bundle. Okay, other thing you might want to know if you're new to Humble, the way it works is there are different tiers. So for instance, today we have a $1 tier, so you'd get everything in that tier if you purchase that one. Today we have an $8 tier, and anytime you purchase a tier, you will get the tiers above it. So if you purchase the $8, you would get the $1 tier. Today we have a $12 tier, so you would get the $8 and $1, and our top one today is $18. And then you would get everything on the page. And if you purchase the $18 bundle, that's where the $639 worth comes into play. But let's take a look. So for just $1, you start off, you get 3 books. Machine Learning and Action, you can click on here and get a little bit of a PDF preview. Sometimes it can help to see if it's going to be your style or not. You can also click here to check out the publication. And so what I've done today is I went and found out how much each of these books actually are. So, for instance, this one, Machine Learning and Action, it is normally $35.99, and of course I took the price for the ebooks, not the print books. Right now it is on sale on their website for $25.19. Next we have Algorithms of the Intelligent Web. This one is normally $35.99, but it is also on sale for $25.19. And of course you can read here and see what they're about, but I'm just giving you a brief overview and a little bit more information price-wise, so that way you can make a decision whether you even want to come take a look at the bundle. May not be something that really interests you. Next, we have Quantum Computing in Action. And so this one is normally a $39.99 book and is on sale for $27.99. So even with the $1 tier, you're getting quite a bit of value. I mean, they're $36, $36, and $40 books, so nice. All right, so for the $8 tier, we have 5 more books. Grokking Bitcoin. So this one is normally $31.99, and it is on sale currently for $22.39. Next, we have Succeeding with AI. It is normally $39.99 and is on sale for $27.99. Next, we have Practical Recommender Systems, and it is normally $39.99, currently on sale for $27.99. Next, we have Data Wrangling with JavaScript. This one is normally $39.99 and is on sale for $27.99. Next is Grokking Machine Learning, or MEEP. This one is normally $39.99 and on sale for $27.99. I mean, if you're into programming bundles, and if this is something you're gonna really want, the bundle's definitely worth it. But don't take my word for it, come take a look at it. All right, next we have our $12 bundle. Again, we get another 5 books with this part. So, or tier, excuse me, tier. It's all the bundle. It's just which tier. All right, so first we have Git Programming with Haskell. This one is normally $39.99 and is currently on sale for $25.19. Next, we have Data Science with Python and Dask. And this one is normally $39.99, but is also on sale for $27.99. Next is Modern Fortran. This one is on normally $47.99 and is on sale for $33.59. Next is Practical Data Science with R. And this one is normally $39.99 and is on sale for $27.99. And last in this tier is Math and Architectures of Deep Learning, or MEEP. And this one is normally $39.99 but is on sale for $27.99. And our last tier of the bundle, so for this one, obviously you would get all of it. It's another 3 books for this one. This one starts with Math for Programmers. It is normally $47.99 and is on sale for $33.59. Next, we have Grocking Algorithms, and it is normally $35.99 on sale for $25.19. And last in the bundle is Algorithms and Data Structures in Action, also MEEP. This one is normally $47.99 and it is on sale for $33.59. Okay, and once again, it supports Charity Direct Relief and NAACP Legal Defense Fund. Now, to purchase, you're going to come down here, which is also what the button above does. It just brings you straight down to here. So you're going to put in the dollar amount that you would like to spend, that whatever tier. If the amount that you want does not show, sometimes that dollar amount tends to disappear. In custom amount, you can put whatever you want, but for instance, if the dollar amount doesn't show, you can pop that in. These warnings will pop up if you purchase anything other than the top tier, and all it's saying is you will not get the content in the other tiers. So if the dollar tier, for instance, is what you want, then just ignore all this. The add to cart is only for humble choice, but you do not have to have that to purchase a bundle. This month's choice is almost gone. Humble choice, it only has 10 days left at the time of recording, so you might want to check that out if you want it. It's kind of hit or miss this month, but I do have a video out on that if you want to get a little bit more information. All right, well, here's where you choose where your money goes or give it as a gift, which is also a lot of fun, even when you make it anonymous, which is kind of fun. Don't forget to put your recipient's email in here if you choose to give it as a gift. But here's where you're going to pay. So you're going to pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it. That is our bundle for today. I do have my link down below, and it is affiliate link because I am a humble partner. So if you click on that, I do make a little bit without it costing you any more. So thank you very much for that. All right, any questions or comments, leave them down below. I appreciate you guys being here as always. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye.